Hello, everyone. On today's show, we have been joined by Kajsa Grip, a leader whose entire career has been shaped by the intersection of humans and technology. Currently, she is based out of Stockholm, Sweden, and she has always been guided by one core belief that real innovations begins with people. Her passion lies in keeping the human perspective at the heart of every technological shift. And now, with AI in making that shift even more human centric, with people and purpose coming before the technology. She believes that technology should be built with people, not just for them, empowering curiosity, creativity, and connection rather than replacing them. Her work is driven by the idea that when we design with empathy and intention, AI can become a force that amplifies what makes us most human. She is on a mission to help a future where innovation feels approachable, meaningful, and deeply rooted in human value. A future where technology grows because of our humanity, not in spite of it. So, with that introduction, let me welcome Kaisa on this show. Welcome,
Thank
Kaisa.
you.
And let me get started with something very basic. And what I would like to ask you is, what does human-centric AI really mean to you?
So I would say human-centric AI means really putting people and not technology at the center of everything that we create. So it's about using AI to enhance human creativity, empathy, and well-being rather than replacing it. So I see it like when we design AI with empathy and purpose, and also with ethics and fairness in mind, we build technology that people can trust. Because also one thing is that trust is that really drives innovation and also long-term success, in my belief.
Great, thank you. Thank you for that. And why do you think people are the most important part of the AI journey?
Because to me, like AI and technology doesn't transform organizations or societies. It's the people that does that. So seeing it as you can have the best data and algorithms, but without human imagination and leadership, nothing really change. So that is like why my firm belief is AI is a skill that everyone should learn also to get the human aspect. To really like be curious, test and learn is one thing that I really believe. And like building your understanding, start small, and then get the awareness and the skills. Because in the future of work, I think, or rather I know, that knowledge about AI will really be the competitive edge, because that is something that we really see transforming the world we live in. And also one key aspect that I think going forward with AI is really to blend the human judgment with technology. I mean, we cannot trust AI. We need to have the human in the loop and to really see the output. That is crucial going forward.
Thank you, thank you. And nowadays there is so much hype around AI. So how can organizations move from experimentation to creating real human value? How can that be done?
So I would say that the hype is natural and what we have seen before, right? But I see that the real value comes when we anchor AI in purpose and in people. So the key questions here to me is like always have in mind, why are we doing this and who benefits from it? And also what problems are we solving? Are we just doing AI for AI's sake, or are we actually spotting a need and a purpose that we can solve? And also one important aspect is also to see like from a company view, what is the long-term vision and win for us as a company? Because right now, a lot of companies are doing a lot of things just to do it. But to really see in the long term, What problems are we solving? Because to me, like when AI helps solve real problems, that also means that it unlocks creativity and also make life a little better for people. And I think that that is when human and business value truly come together. Because, like, to be honest, when AI serves people, everybody will win.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I think there is a lot of thought about AI replacing humans. So I'm sure that is not going to happen. And these disruptions are bound to happen. They will come. There was a time when radio was a disruption. There was a time when TV was a disruption.
Mm.
There was a time when digital media was a disruption. So I think uh, as they say, disruptions will come and go. Human beings are here to stay. uh,
Yes.
what what I would like to know next, Kaisa, is how can we build a culture of curiosity and learning so that people feel confident and not fearful about using AI? What can be done?
Yeah, and that's a really good question because I think that it really starts with trust and openness. So we see now that people fear what they don't understand, or that is like common, that we feel threatened. So I think also if you take it to a business setting, I think that leaders really needs to create a space to learn and to experiment and to get the skills because it's needed. And also to encourage curiosity, celebrate small wins, and also talk openly about things. You know, like bias, responsible use of AI, how do we use it in a good way? Because when people understand both the power as well as the limits of I think then the confidence replaces fear. And that is what sparks real curiosity. When you feel safe and that you have the knowledge. So that to me, I think it's key.
Thank you for that. I think that is a very important aspect. There are people who feel, they are really fearful about AI, whether AI will take up their job and will, make their life hell, if I may put
Yeah.
it that way. But I think we need to understand that if rightly used, and if you have the right mindset, AI can do wonders for us. Uh, what I would like to know is, if we succeed in creating a truly human-centric AI, what kind of future do you hope we will see very soon, or in the next 5 years, or 10 years, or 15 years?
Yeah. So my hope is that we see a future where technology gives us more humanity, not less. So that the AI will do like the boring stuff, the complex stuff, and
Yeah,
we can focus more about being humans, to be creative, to think purpose driven, focus more on relationship and the human aspect. So I think also that if we have the human centric AI, organization will also thrive because also to have like the people feeling empowered and not replaced, which is a really common and what has been the talk that everyone will be replaced by AI, but rather see it as a technology, as a tool to make us more human. Because I also think that when we put the people first, innovation will follow naturally. So that is the future I believe in. One where progress, trust, and empathy will grow together in this AI era.
thank you. Very well put. Progress, trust, and empathy. I think that is something, uh, it is really important that we see a future which has all this. And I thank you, Kaisa, for your time to be on this show. I really appreciate you taking time from your busy schedule to be a part of this session. Best wishes for your AI work, something that you're really passionate about. You love it, and every time I interact with you, it is great to learn about what new things you're doing. And uh, my best wishes for your future journey along with my audience. Thank you so much
Thank you.
for being here.
Thank you so much, Yogesh. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.